Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not quite sure what I mean by 30-minute time frame, I offer a quick explanation video right there. So just go to that link and I will explain it to you in detail. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red line and green line annotations are coming from here. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. Just kind of summarizing today individually, this is what we would call a gap and trap. In trading jargon, if you're not quite sure what I mean by that, well, on Tuesday, the price closed right there. This morning, the price opened up right there, hence the gap up. And then after that, it was pretty much all bears the remainder of the day as, price ran up a little bit. Actually got rejected right at that red line that I drew previously, so the power of charts there. But after that, down it went the remainder of the day. So gap and trap is, like I said, how I would summarize today's action. But let's get some of these updates made. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $14, one of the newest areas of resistance. But even before you really focus on doing battle with that, the other level of resistance you need to now focus on is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. For the same rule, that was a level of support. You can see right there, did a great job of acting as support going into the day. But now that the price is broken down below it, you would expect it to act as a resistance, and actually that's already taken place right there. You can see if you look closely, the price bounced right up there and got rejected. So again, yes, $14 is certainly a level of resistance, but before you even focus on doing battle with that one, the price needs to first prove itself in the near term, quote unquote, prove itself. Once more being defined as getting up above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued right around $13.70. What about levels of support going forward? Next key level of support that looks like it's got a very real possibility of getting tested is down there at the $13 mark. No such thing as a guarantee, so myself nor anyone else can say that the price is for sure drifting down to $13. All I'm saying is that at this point in time, it wouldn't exactly be shocking to see the price ultimately drift down to that area on the chart. And that's definitely a very important level, because if the price were to not hold above there, that would be starting to put the price at levels that haven't been seen for several days. And not to insult your intelligence, but when price movements go back to where they haven't been for a long time, that's not exactly a sign of true strength. So we'll see what happens with this one. But yeah, today gap and trap. Now it's a matter of seeing if the price can try to stabilize out and turn things around. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.